Face Your Fears Hotel of Terror. Not only were they the overall highest rated haunt in Ohio last year, they were also the scariest. And we are gonna take you inside. Being the highest rated haunt in Ohio is no small feat indeed. And a lot of that starts with having a great outside atmosphere. They've got this huge midway out here. They've got vendors set up selling some crafts. They've got a guy drawing caricatures, several concession stands. They've got a movie screen playing, and all of this is part of their virtual queue system. So how it works is once you get your ticket, you're free to roam around the midway and you'll get a text when it's your turn to get in line. Face Your Fears also offers a touch pass for a small upcharge, but if you're looking for a super intense show, then you are gonna wanna upgrade. Nora and I are just gonna see the normal show tonight, but we do have a victim that has volunteered to get the touch pass. Will all three of us make it out together? Probably not, but we're gonna try. Oh, can't forget about this awesome fire pit that they've got here and all kinds of photo ops, and of course some queue actors. Don't trust the queue actors. So Face Your Fears actually takes place in an old hotel too. They've got reason to believe this place was built back in the 1850s, so their theme is built around an 1850s old hotel also. And up until just a few years ago when the new owners took over and started the haunted house, it had been abandoned since around 1940. So if the haunted house itself isn't scary enough, this place has got a ton of creepy history too. All right, without further ado, let's get in line here and go check out the haunt. You guys been through yet?
We came like 2 weeks.
Last week. I screamed. I definitely screamed.
Yeah, I get scared every single time I go through.
What's your favorite part? Chainsaws.
That one room with like the elevator. The elevator.
Yeah,
and where like it goes like around. The elevator.
Oh, the vortex tunnel. Yeah.
Okay, you guys have either been here before?
Yes.
I don't know if you wore the touch passes last time.
I did, but I am not today. That's why I'm not wearing one. I didn't want to get split up from the camera. We are sacrificing Joanna to the hotel.
You can get split up, you can get locked in cage. All kinds of stuff.
I probably deserve to be locked in a cage. Oh, Joanna.
All right, time to go.
Oh, we're already ready.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I'm not gonna fall up the steps.
Bell tolls. Ooh-wee.
And neat, we can see the stairwell with the creepy overgrowth.
Wow.
Suitcases from
don't
people
think
that
they
checked
clean
in
in
and
here
didn't
either.
get out.
Shit! Ooh, she got big old nails.
She does.
Or, well, fingers. Oh my God. Oh,
Still
she's still back there. Oh
back
my
there.
goodness. Oh!
poppers.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
I don't know that she's happy at all.
No.
Oh,
My Lord.
this is
Satan.
very, very creepy.
It's like a wine cellar.
What is that?
Is it a rat?
No,
Oh.
you go back in your hole.
The
You
rat
stay in
came
there,
out.
rat. Oh, it is real. It was real. What about that one? I don't know. I'm not playing this game. I lose every time. Oh, she. That one's even got a weapon.
There you are. From
Look
above.
at that. Nice cobweb.
Oh yeah. Really cool.
Oh, God! Where did he come from? Whoa, he's got a whoa. That's really close there,
Oh
sir.
my God.
Whoa. I don't trust that one. He's got a. He's got that mallet.
There's something gonna come out right now. I knew it.
That's the same one, isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
They're all over the place.
Oh, fudge.
We're doing a claustrophobia.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Whoa. Uh-oh. It changed a lot. They transported us somewhere.
Transported us in part of the house.
Oh, what the hell is that?
Giant animatronic.
Damn.
I can't even see in here. Are you a cat?
Whoa. Oh, it's a cat.
You are a cat.
Yeah. I think he sniffed you. He must not like it. Oh, he's gonna sniff.
Yeah.
Whoa, be nice, kid. Oh, shit.
Jeez.
Uh-oh.
It got real, huh?
Yeah, it did. Yeah, it got real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I surrender. Oh, fuck! The cat has a gun! I don't have any catnip.
Yeah, I don't.
We don't have any. I don't know what else you. Oh, I don't have it. I didn't do it. Oh my God! Look at all those vines and.
Look at the tree in here.
The hotel is being taken over. I know, that's a real tree too. That's cool. Oh, don't drop things that look like that. Ha! Whoa, no. I don't trust you. Nora. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. What have you been doing? Are you collecting things? Up! No, sir. Look at that. Wow, your skin is on point. Look at her. This is so creepy. I don't know what you call this room, but it's like a torture freaking red room or something. I don't know. We'd have to. I don't know. Maybe they're not really there. Oh, look at that! Oh, that was no. Can we? They're surrounding us. Yep. We're surrounded. You are way too creepy, ma'am.
Creepy. I think those nuns are possessed.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Oh God. There's stuff
Going upstairs, outside.
The nuns are stalking. Okay.
Poking through the walls. One of them got me. There's more? Are you from downstairs?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I think they're all ghosts. Ooh.
Oh God.
He's like eating bullets. Oh my God, look at all that
See
stuff.
somebody down
They're
there.
waving at us. Tyler, don't look.
Oh my.
See, you never would think that there's that much stuff inside.
We're almost there.
Oh,
They're waiting
ready to
on
have
us.
fun with us.
I hear like 30 chainsaws or so.
Where you going, gorgeous?
Into the colorful.
No!
You were the one waving.
Sure, you're like a ducky.
Oh, what do you got? Oh, it's a duck.
Promise someone's only gonna hurt you. Try not to scream,
Oh, thank you. Oh my, don't scream.
Getting a hug.
You smell like peaches.
I think that's.
I hate peaches!
I was gonna say, I think that's. Okay,
I smell
right.
something else. Okay.
That was very loud.
Bushman.
Wow.
Don't trust the bushmen,
Evil bushmen.
especially the ones that have eyes.
That's what the last one on.
Jesus!
Don't you love chicken?
That is so good.
You enjoyed them?
No,
No.
no, thank you.
Put that sack on the table if you do.
Oh, no. I believe that.
I
He
don't
looks
know.
like he's been hanging around for a little while.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all he did. Oh,
We're going across the big.
Over the
yes,
bridge.
there went my night vision.
Where'd he go?
This is very,
Whoa.
whoa. Oh my God!
Oh God.
Woo!
from?
Dang, he's skilled to run across that bridge.
They did something with it.
Jesus.
That's thunder now.
That is freaking awesome. Y'all,
Storm
that is like a real
outside.
storm. Wow, you feel it in your body.
It's a long vortex.
Oh my, how in the world is she not falling? Oh God. Ooh, she's got something written on her.
Don't bark! Crawl.
Oh God.
He's a puppy.
Okay, I gotta get up.
I don't trust her. Not at all. Wow, I'm still spinning. Son of a. Jesus! She's fast.
She's relentless.
Air cannon.
Okay, she got. What's up here?
There's no one coming. Oh, what is that?
Their shed.
No, I need all of my body parts. I'm pretty sure I need them all. No! No! What the? Oh my God. What? No! No! Spider! No! It's on your face! No! Oh my God! She's a spider lady! Nope, 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 nope. You stop it. Hell no! Nope! Nope! I don't want to face that fear.
In the basement?
Uh-oh.
Where are we?
I don't fucking know, Tyler,
Oh,
but
God.
they're gonna kill us.
Oh God!
Oh God! What's that?
Oh, what is it?
What?
Uh-oh. He's eating it.
Oh! Wow! That's very
Oh,
fresh,
my.
sir.
He's happy.
That guy had just walked through here not long ago. Oh my goodness, you are like high on human right now. It even smells real.
He's excited
Y'all,
about it,
and
too.
then
You wanna play?
no,
God, what is
no,
that?
I don't want to.
Humans.
That is a
Everywhere.
cage. Come on now.
How do you like my friend here?
Oh, I don't like her very much at all.
She's alright for a swinger,
She's
huh?
a swinger.
Oh, how many people have you all killed tonight? Oh, fuck. I can't. Shit. God dang it. Oh, my God. What is going on there? Yeah. Secret door. They killed us. Oh, my God.
Oh my damn. Oh my damn.
Wow, that is one foggy, treacherous basement.
Don't go
down
in the
there.
basement.
Don't go in the basement. I'm so sweaty and bloody. And that's fresh.
Woo.
Whew. I said that's fresh.
Wow.
Barely. Man, I love the fog and those chainsaws. I don't know. We lost Joanna.
Did you?
They
Yep.
done strung her up
They
and killed
nabbed her.
She's your new prop.
Yeah, I had to go back through the outside part with the vortex and everything.
Oh wow, she had to go through it again.
Yep. I kind of stood by the door. I'm like, what should I do? And they're like, come this way. I'm like, okay. So I went back through, and one of the Bushmen helped me take a shortcut. So
Oh, cool. The Bushman
Bushman
helped her.
helped you?
the helpful Bushman. Yep.
You don't see them very
I
often.
still don't trust them, especially that one that had eyes.
All right, guys, well, that's it for Face Your Fears Hotel of Terror. We had an absolute blast inside of there. If you come out and check out Hotel of Terror this year, tell them Scare Factor sent you. If you want to see the full review with ratings that we give, check out our website on scarefactor.com. We are going to head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.